Hello, good evening, viewers. Let us know about the present situation, crisis of this corona and corona's father China. As you know, India is facing many difficulties. Of course, all around the world is facing many difficulties. But particularly, why I'm calling this corona's father China. Now, after losing some projects from Chinese region, because all countries are fighting with this China due to this China is the creator of this dangerous crisis that is nothing but this particular corona crisis, corona pandemic. Some are saying that this crisis started in China from August, but no one knows what happened in China at that time. Now, this China is facing difficulties due to this corona crisis. China is provoking the boundary countries, that is Nepal and Pakistan. The main thing, the China wants to take some help. India is very good with each and every country. India wants a very good relationship, but this China is provoking the boundary countries, mainly Pakistan. Now they created one more. It is like opposition to India in terms of this Nepal. Nepal parliament just recently taken a step to restructure its map. Here, no one knows about what are those things involved to do that, but each and every person know about China is the main reason to do it. Recently, at the valley, Galvani Valley, what is that tragedy which is happened to India? Our brave hearts, our soldiers lost their lives, felt very bad, very sorrowful for each and every citizen in India, and they decided, citizens of India from each and every state beyond the religion and caste, they decided that to take revenge on China, and each and every state supported the central government. Whatever the decision they want to take, they are ready to support the central government. Each and every state decided and promised the central government they are ready to take, they are ready to support whichever the decision is taken by this central government of India. Here the main thing is that no one wants to fight, no one wants to create a situation like a war. China is unnecessarily taking the steps and they are hiding something. They are just creating situation after situation. Those are very bad, very adverse, we can say. They only created the situation, this pandemic corona crisis. Even this US is also continuously using rubbish words. Rubbish words means we cannot blame the words of this US. And even the president of US just mentioned a word of this corona crisis, kung flu, and after that Chinese government also reacted to that word. But when it comes to Indian government, India is very smooth to handle in each and every situation. whoever that in that place, whoever that in the position of as a prime minister, because Indians want a very good relationship with each and every country, with whichever that country all around the world. Here the main point is that this China only creating situation after situation, that too in adverse situation. Now people started to boycott the products, whichever that products are coming from China. If really those products are going to boycott India, it is a very big loss to Chinese government. Now, still nothing happened. Okay, whatever the discussions those are going to take place from particularly Chinese government, they must come forward, and they have to apologize whatever that thing happened because of particular this China. Then everyone, at least they feel somewhat better. Okay, finally they accepted whatever that mistake they did. So the type of situation must come, the two from this Chinese government. Really, they hidden many of those things when it comes to this particular pandemic, corona crisis. And again, they are going to provoking Pakistan, Nepal, and even they are just trying to just luring that they are ready to fight with India. Really, it is very bad. That is not good for that society. Okay, what's the plan of this Chinese government, and how rubbishly they are doing? They are not going to take a very good decision, particularly this a very dangerous situation. Really, people are suffering a lot. Some of those they lost their lives from past 4 months onwards, continuously each and every state, each and every nation fighting very hard to stop, very hard to control this corona crisis. Okay, really, we need to join our hands together, okay, to stop and to fight against this corona crisis. Okay, at this time, particularly if Chinese government is doing like this, really it's very bad. That is not a very good statement. Whatever that statements they are doing, they are playing tricks with India. Hopeful that they are going to take aware, they are going to feel ashamed whatever that they did, wantedly or unwantedly. Of course, no one tell this point particularly without knowing they did. Okay, they just expected something advantage. They just want to take even other countries in the sense which of those are smaller countries. Okay, they just want to take into their grip. But if it is a smaller country, if it is a larger or whatever the thing is there, that is not very easy nowadays. Okay, that is particularly depends on that how they show their humanity, how they show their kindness towards that other people. We are all human beings. We are living in the society. So whatever we do, we must do for that future generations. So I feel better take a very good decision, not going to do adverse type of situation, particularly this China. If they are going to continue like this, okay, whatever that mark it is already put it on that head of this China. That is nothing but corona is created by China. Corona is nothing but in the region of China, it is just spread. Corona's father is China. Okay, whatever that mark it was given by all the countries, and even they put that is nothing but they file cases on this China, because China only responsible. Okay, China must give whatever that in terms of the problems other countries are facing, financial crisis, they have to take that responsibility. They have to help the countries those they really affected a lot. Okay, hope this type of situations don't come in the near future. Really, all countries are fighting a lot to control this crisis of corona. And if China is going to take steps like this, that is really very bad for this uh, world. Hope everything will come down, and people all feel in a very good manner. Okay, here peace and harmony is very important. Here it is not the matter of okay, richer or poorer or superior or inferior. Hope you like this one.